tell us Bishop also African players are what all.
You know, as a money can more fun is a Premier League player. No, you have boys DB. Look, the timing of the AFCON is a problem.
I had
you know, Fabian to Chinese football papa and bono. Look, let's be serious. Let's be serious. I understand the weather. I understand the weather argument and all. Nemum si bit me who bibia. What I say? Because
now that time no for no zebe bwana houses.
Oh, yeah. And I also call with so I'm matching Chimmy and Sarge.
Oh, yeah, they are busy. So, yeah, they are. This is
on bit Messi. Conakry 2004, Tunisia and Senegal. Oh, then I'm bit match. Anyway, I mean, it's
my sister, the Valley Fallis almost any more about it. Oh, yeah, they are. But we have do a bit of whatever. That always share 5 feet. I'm calling ball about you.
Ah, okay.
Waka, my ref in a crack.
Waka, or the Wakama. So, Mira, Titia. Yeah, that's why I say Antias and Fufran Penisi, and I pay Raphael Varane, Alanta, our Manchester United. No, and all then some Kakrabe to Jamie de Hong Komona. Okay, see, we had a meeting last week with the FA. They recommended from the referees new decisions and rules. From the managers and players, we have shared our concerns for many years now that there are too many games. The schedule is overcrowded and it is dangerous level for players' physical and mental well-being. Despite our previous feedbacks, they have now recommended for next season longer games, more intensity and less emotions to be shown by players. We just want to be in good condition on the pitch to give 100% to our club and fans. Why are our opinions not being heard? As a player, I feel very privileged to do the job I love every day, but I feel these changes are damaging our game. We want to be at our maximum level, the best we can be, and put on amazing performances for fans to celebrate every week. I believe it is important that we players and managers highlight these important issues as we want to protect the game we love and give the fans our best. Raphael Varane and Anopa, any problem they are saying this. Okay, when you want to conduct a proper audit, content analysis on it, and yet just the physical aspect and all here, there are psychological aspect and so and the games are becoming too much. You do someone come away that then okay, say I did wish I say jogging club na kofa ba e omutra na Guardiola de betoso and the players nso do toso. Nemo, he is the wrong person to make this argument.
We don't also want it.
Sam Rawi, didn't in Yakofaba. Yemisa say, why is this new law introduced? On board World Cup, no Varane there be. Did he play?
World Cup. France.
No,
Okobio.
Good.
Okobi.
Good. Medasi P. Person Boamio. Now, minutes na de to saying
10.
Was it in the middle of a season? Yes, it was.
Yeah, now your boss season.
Did he complain?
No.
So now, to attack on this very piece. Emra Yadiaba. If you say footballers, any coaches, say nya Ura Park and so na referee ball whistle or more control our match soon. Plus the referee.
Yeah.
Send your game basi akono.
SOMPA
players, any coach, and a match and say never kono. Se ujai atatita. Yesebe jao weni. Mesa Fabium. Se ujai atatita. Yesebe jao weni. Raphael Varane can never be longer than his shadow. One of us had in trim. Coaches and any players, no. Yeah, the additional time too, so because you hear researcher who say, "What me born 90 minutes of a football match, Jeff? Now out of 90 minutes, no, born no park, no so more born here just 52 minutes. We could have one that for more prior, no.
More kaka wa shewa, but that was easier.
why mo na some players bobo ano mo ne assistant referees kon na interrupt game na referees na ba oni ombekasa no ya wa mo nti se omu jaya tete na ye be ja omu hwan ni kwaku increasingly football na ankasa aye born over 90 minutes no dodo no aye ball abonte ne ya doso timi bo football match na over 50 minutes pen e ball that park no so aye ball they aka nyina obi da form ya say breaking up play e ko ka mo say dark art. So they are also trying to find ways to stop the dark arts. Inti me catch Varane say metenase some passport ye come mo egitum say football games no do so do maybe ka dem no me this year me catch say Carabao Cup mo jai bo ade beba.
Yes,
but this law has a specific traction, and the traction is that ball na that park no so na ye ball e ye mu mienu mo ni mu coaches e na mo ma ball no inflow. Nti se wa mobile na da form a ebre na da form no all the period the ball goes out ye de beto so amobile ye the 10 minutes ne beto so na mo sa da form a
ye be batra if they rule about rala na chama so adwa
okoka de
na chama so adwa we are lolo akasi studio as e de adu no sara be bara we aka chwa adwa as World Cup final.
Yeah, exactly.
First half for mobile +8 second half for mobile +9
me say
e san ko extra time no unless say we ni nyina wi o mo sambo +7 o say
me say nti na me per scientific basis abo ama me bi no omo say game no tactics players ni coaches efa onya show one we are not the daho no mo bobo na to atwene ha no mo breaking up play holding up play unnecessarily and no any checking no nti let's all be guided. Let's all be guided. And no anaju nebe told you say Al Ittihad for Bobo Musa Liverpool 60 million. Mama Mohamed Salah 90 million a year for 3 years. Na I'm saying 60 million for 3 years into yes. Obenya 180 million. Okay, say Saudi Arabia say DMD can butcher or Salah. Kwaku Ababonte the outlet in Central Kuamode Sa7 Bayano. It's one of the most credible in Saudi Arabia, the MENA region in Middle East and North Africa. Kwaku Ofi Hunsio Ebia near the Nwaninam. Ofi ne Hunsio no. Ebia near the Nwaninam. Say Omonya Sika, no person mu develop football. Ade omu yi. Team bia bema players na ko nkra school. For mu PD. Na omo nkra na hu say sports mu nya. Enye the ketwa no mu yi. They want to get their young population to appreciate sports better. Only Al Dawsari mu, Sameh Al Jaber mu, and I'm going around. They need a poster boy for the project. That is him.
SOMPA Sports.
Ubia Beko, Nemum. That boy, that person they would need Salah. Ni agent friend Rami Abbas. Rami Abbas Babonte say. Omonyo madrin so moko baby Salah agent nunsema o kanu krese kaka. Or see if you consider leaving LFC this year, we wouldn't have renewed the contract last summer. Mohamed remains committed to LFC. Mohamed remains committed to LFC for now.
This year we are jadam.
Oh, they all have attack offensive on the back corner.
SOMPA Sports.
Look, they need that. He's the biggest athlete in the MENA region. The profile is exactly what suits them. Karim Benzema or a Cremo, but who is all French on your Algeria. The Cremo no created to be a modality. Wait here. Ofri and our Quaco ye and our Saba. Yala. Oh, I'm the Nebeko. Nemren in the Yanso here. Kuku, I'm running to Umbeko. Now, no, Sadio Mane, so Kobo Nibi. No Mubizan said, I Salawe. If you watch every video in the crowd, best Kwaku. Take a crack.
It's in Liverpool.
It's only a matter of time. Mira, and Che Bia, and I became Sadio Mane Kruya, any by a minute once. Na the media advisor Bakary Cisse call RMC. Mo RMC ni fu radio France, even Radio Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
okokasa kakra na nsem no de wahwe bi agu ho pa kwan omofa so pia ni pamu ni free ho na se omuhu se we bibini no na gisika kese no Leroy Sane ho nsem no waka nsem bebre by minutes to the statement about bontin say omo Sadio Mane ye adwuma na bia na nkomu person omo ka kɔ no enduru ho nti no mu nyina obi afa ne kwan omo ho da obi anko no anko bo ne bra na nye kama na mire. It clearly shows you there were issues. The breakup was a bad one. I'm to be in but racist abuse and this anoma na I reason esre kakra kwaku utie two accounts na he kwan Sadio Mane fa so ko na se na ne na esi wechi na tan sen ne aba bonten
ona no kra o didi nkomo no san kan si studio sensem no kro mpezo be kan ni enti we no dey ever we nesa edoso abi o me ya pa ze kofa sani so ni nyina one e hye pa o sani dey so ne money dey nuafo
until there is more to this thing. There is more to it. Now, this, you know, by many come here crafty. They are very, very crafty. I'm going to release a video. Na video, no, who call Germany a GBC or no, your friend is ZDF, German State Broadcaster, and no, but we almost call DWTV, Deutsche Welle, no, for a reason. Her video, nibi.
Keiner angehört wurde und nicht so gut behandelt wurde.
Hoeneß war sein Ziehvater, ne? Und Karin Potthoff, Sekretärin von Uli Hoeneß, war seine Mama.
Ich kann mich an eine Situation erinnern, die möchte ich niemanden auf der Welt gönnen. Ich bin nach Weihnachten, nach dem Weihnachtsurlaub vom Skifahren zurückgekommen. Ich kann mich noch wie heute erinnern, ich lag bei uns auf der Couch und habe irgendwie Zeitung gelesen und dann kommt ein Anruf. Frau Potthoff ist dran, gesagt, und hat geweint am Telefon. Habe ich gesagt, was ist denn los? Ja, die Tochter von Sammy Kufer ist in Afrika in ein Schwimmbad gefallen und ist tot.
Das war sehr hart und das war gut, dass Uli gesagt hat, Sammy, wenn du willst, flieg nach Ghana, du hast Zeit, wenn du zurückkommst, FC Bayern ist für dir da.
Immediately, Uli Hoeneß, Romero, all of them banged into my house just to console me. And they organized a private jet within the next 2 hours for me to go back to Ghana. And that tells you they care about you. And the private jet was staying in Ghana till when I finish everything. That tells you that these people, they are there for you.
Now, this video was made in 2017. You see the major actors on the German football scene will be a share video, especially those in Bavaria. It's quite clear. That video no more, you know. Bruni o me ba kope. It's for a reason.
One interesting things or not. I'm a porter, no. A release list of players that war squad with Musisia. If you move bomber my for but we have before. And on move be so we have before or more so bomber team. To promote him, Leroy Sane more and Alfonso de Obo di the room. Every we need there. Bishop, I'm a Piache by the
one course I study during my second master. I'm reading for that the political economy of news. So what kind of news keke? And you say, ya time news now as a BTA, I say kokayo. Every biani they also many party no. And these people are the masters of that.
Oh, mama, yes, yeah, we na man who's there. I could afford the no crowds and the chat one in there.